Looking for a high-performance alloy spring steel with outstanding strength and resilience? Introducing 60Si2Mn steel strip, trusted in industries where durability, flexibility, and shock resistance are critical. Key features: high tensile strength, excellent fatigue resistance, superior performance under cyclic loads, ideal for heat treatment, quenching, and tempering. Applications: used in automotive leaf springs, suspension components, industrial springs, tools, and clutch discs. Thickness range 0.1 mm, 5.0 mm. Condition: annealed or hardened and tempered. Surface: blue, polished, or customized upon request. Whether you're building tough mechanical systems or precision parts, 60Si2Mn delivers the power and reliability you need. Choose Jiaxiao MTC, your professional supplier of alloy spring steel strips, ready for global delivery. Samples and quotes available now. Contact us today.